Morning guys, traveling with Kev. Thursday, the 18th of August. So Lori and I are saddling up the e-bikes here in beautiful Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. And we're going to ride the Centennial Trail downtown and up to a restaurant that was featured on Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives for chicken fried steak and eggs for brunch. Then we're going to cruise around and check out downtown Coeur d'Alene. So stay tuned. Well, we had the big monster breakfast. Half of Lori's is in her pannier bag there because it was way too much for her. I powered through it though. We've now ridden to downtown Coeur d'Alene, locking up the bikes, and we're gonna just stroll around here for a few blocks and see what's here. So Lori and I found this cool toy store. This is made out of K'NEX. Huge Ferris wheel, very cool. So they're bringing in one of the cruise boats. We're going out. And Lori has found more stairs here on our boardwalk walk. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And up on top, the fly bridge. Went around. So our next door neighbors are up from Louisiana for the cooler weather and brought us over, excuse me, some Louisiana love, which is some russet potatoes and some good Louisiana Gulf Coast shrimp in their special hot sauce. Incredible.